alaikum. My dear lovely student, hope so you are healthy and happy with your family members. Alhamdulillah, me is also fine. I, Shahrina Hussain, again in front of you to share an online mathematics class from class 4, sector 7, Milestone Preparatory KG School, Uttara, Dhaka. Today, I will share some of the part from chapter 3, multiplication, page 34 to 43. Do you ready to attend the class with me? Okay, let's come to the board. Before starting class, I want to show some review part from previous lesson. Just hurriedly take your book and open your copy. Okay? Chapter 3, page now 34 to 43. Multiplication. Review part. Do the calculation with easy way. Number A, 1650 multiplied by 10. And number B, 789 multiplied by 200. So dears, can you do by yourself? Okay, hurriedly do it. I will wait 2 minutes, okay? Done? Okay, now let's come. How can we show the calculation? Here 1650 multiplied by 10. We can easily separate the zeros. Okay? 1 5 is 5, 1 6 is 6, and 1 1 is 1. Here how many 0? 1, 2. So I will put there 2 zeros. So my answer is 16500. By this way, we can easily find the calculation. This is easy way to multiply. Now second one. Here 789 then multiplied by 2. Again we will make a line. I will draw a line to separate the 0. Now multiply. 2 9s are 18. 8 is here, 1 is in our hand. 2 8s are 16. 1 is 17. Another 1 is in our hand. 2 7s are 14 plus 1, it will be 15. Now see, here how many zeros? 2 0. We will add 2 0. By this way, we can find the answer. We can multiply easily. Okay? This is called calculation with easy way. I hope you also will calculate the multiplication by this way easily. Now, let's come to today's regular lesson. At first, go to page number 43. We will do exercise 3.4, page number 43. First math problem number 5. Now let's come. Exercise 3.4, page number 43. Now problem number 5. number 1. This math we will do. See the book. Number 1. Fill in the box with appropriate digit. Here they are giving some clue in this math and some of the fill in the blanks. We will fill up the box by calculating. This math, it is very important, times table. Without times table, it is not possible to do the calculation. Mean the time we already learned and memorized the all times table, right? So now let's come. Let's see how can we find the answer by using times table. First math, 23, then box 3. Now there is the box and answer is 6, and here 0, 9 and 6. Answer is 9, box, then 7. Okay. Now see the most right side, they are giving the multiplicand, but in the multiplier there is a box. In the product side there is also one blank box. Okay. So how can you find the answer? See, at first if you observe that one carefully, see answer is 9 and here is the 0. That means when we add any number with 0, same answer will come here. So that means answer in that side 9. Am I right? Now how can I make it 9? By which number you multiply here to make the 9? Yes, you are right, absolutely right. There is the 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. Now let's come. How can you make this second line answer? 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. Look, my answer is 9 plus 0, 9. 6 plus 9 is 15. Here 1, okay, and 1 plus 6 is 7. So my answer is that. That's mean black box answer. In the fill in the blanks we get 5 and this is the answer. Okay. By this way now we will find the second math, number 3. See, in this math they are giving us very less clue. Box plus 9 and downside no digit are there. Okay. Then they are giving here box, then 7, then again box. Okay. In the downside there is 0. Under the 7 there is a box, 1, then again box. Okay. So how can we find the answer? Do you think it's very hard? Yes, it's little bit hard, but we need to find the answer very carefully. Okay. Here 3, then 4. In the answer side there is 2 boxes. At first see, they are giving clue 9. So we will find the times table of 9. Okay. We can do here rough. 9. 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are 27. 9 4s are 36. Then 9 5s are 45. 9 6s are 54. 9 7s are 63. 9 8s are 72. 9 9s are 81 and 9 10s are 90. If you observe this math, you can easily understand which number we are taking Yeah, you are absolutely right. This is the point. Okay, because we already see here is the 3, so we need to touch 3. So we are putting here what? 7. 7 9s are what? 63. That's mean 3 is here. Okay, now 6 is in our hand. So now we will find second one. That's mean we need to 7 times table. Now we will find the second 7 times table. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63, and 7 10s are at last 70. Now see, in our hand there is 6. So we will take this number. By adding the 6, I can make 7. I can touch the 7. Which number we can match? Yes, you are right. This one, I hope. Okay, if I match here 6, so it will be 27. Now see 7. Okay, so that's mean there is the 3. Okay, 3 7s are 21 plus 6 27. So my answer is 27. Okay, now let's count the second digit, tens position number. Now how can we find the answer? Here is the 4. Okay, observe it, here is 4. So I need to calculate 3 times table. Can I use this side? Yes, hope so. Okay, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, sorry, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, at last 3 10s are 30. So see here, which number we can touch? 3 9s are 27, right? If I take 3 9s are 27, this time I am getting here 7, 7 7 plus 14. Okay, so I can take there 3. 3 9s are 27. 7 is here, 2 is in our hand. Okay, so 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 10, 11. See, 11. Yeah, very good. I think I get the answer, right? Okay, now 3 plus 0 is 3, 7 plus 7, there is the 14, 4 is here, 1 is in our hand, so we can add this 1 here. So 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, it is 4. Now here is 1. So by this way we can find the answer easily. But it is very important for us, we have to know times table. Without times table it is quite difficult for us to find this type of answer. Okay, so still now who are not memorize your times table, hurriedly memorize it. It is very important. Okay, now let's come problem number 7. This is the statement math. At first see the question. Open your book, read by yourself. There are 37 boxes. Each boxes contain 500 tickets of a cricket match. How many tickets in total? We will find this answer. Okay, now let's come. How can we arrange the statement? Solution. In one box contain 500 tickets of a cricket match. So, in 37 boxes contain 37 multiplied by 500 tickets. Here 37. In this math we can easily do the calculation by applying easy way. 5 sevens are 35, 5 is here, 3 is in our hand, 5 threes are what? 5 threes are 15 plus 3, 18, and here 2 zeros. So our answer is 18,500 tickets. Okay. Answer 18,500 tickets. Do you understand? I hope so. You have understood. Problem number 8. See the book. Rohima earns Taka 125 daily by sewing. How much money does she earn in 25 days? Maybe Rohima, she is a tailor. She is a cloth maker. So she has earned per day, that's mean one day 125 taka. So we will find 25 days how much money total she will earn. Okay. So at first we arrange the statement. So now come to the board. Problem number 8, solution. In one day Rohima earns taka 125. So in 25 days she earned taka 125 multiplied by 25. So answer here 125 multiplied by 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 is here, 2 is in our hand. 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12. 2 is in our here and 1 is in our hand. 5 1s are 5 plus 1, 6. So now here is 0 because we already had done the unit place activities. Now 10. 2 5s are 10. 1 is in our hand. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. 2 1s are 2. So answer is that 5, 2, 6 plus 5, 11. Here is 1, 1 plus 2, 3. That's mean 3,125. 3,125 taka. That's mean in 25 days she earns this amount of money. Answer 3125 taka. Problem now 9. At first read the question by yourself, okay, and see the question. You have 15 pieces of 230 meters of ropes. If you put them in one line, how long is the total length of the rope? So, how can you find the answer? Problem now 9. Solution. Length of one piece rope is 230 meters. Okay. So, length of 15 pieces of rope is 230 multiplied by 15 meters. Now, how can you find the answer? Here 230 multiplied by 15. 5 zeros are 0, 5 threes are 15, 1 is in our hand, 5 twos are 10 plus 1, 11. Now 0, 1 zeros are 0, 1 threes are 3, 1 twos are 2, 0, 5, 4, 3. That's mean 3450 meters. 3450 meters. So, answer is that done. Okay. I think so. You can easily do the math in your copy. This is the time for feedback. Do you ready for the feedback? Now your turn to do the calculation by yourself. At first, pick the question in your copy, then you will do the calculation. Okay? Let's come. Number A. There are some hilsa fish that cost taka 305 each. If you buy 50 of them, how much will it cost in all? Okay. Okay. Now you will do the calculation by yourself. Okay. Do it hurriedly, fast. How can you do the calculation? Here, one Hilsa fish cost is 305 taka. Okay, so you buy 50 Hilsa fishes. So obviously amount is more. We need more money. So how can you find the answer? Can you do? Inshallah, hope so. Okay. If you have done, now match with me. How can we find the answer? Solution. One Hilsa fish, cost is taka 305. So 50 Hilsa fishes cost are taka 305 multiplied by 50. Here 305. Okay, 5 5s are 25, 2 is in our hand, 2 5s are 0 plus 2, 5 3s are 15. Here 1 0. That's mean total amount, total taka 15,250. 15,250 taka. Answer is 15,250 taka. Your answer and my answer is same, is it? Okay. This math, okay? This is the fill in the boxes with appropriate digit. We already have done 2 maths, so you can easily find the answer by following the classwork, okay? Do the homework in your homework copy and submit homework properly to your respective teacher. Today my class is over. Inshallah, next class again we will meet as soon as possible. Up to that, Assalamu alaikum. Allah